Simplifying is another way to say make smaller. Can I make something smaller? So if I give you a series of numbers, for example, 3 plus 4 plus 2, can you simplify this? Hopefully you'd say, yeah, I can take 3 added to 4, get 7, added to 2, get 9. I can turn all this into 9. Great. Now, what if I said, well, what about this? What if I give you an x, another x, and a 3? Can you simplify these? Can you make it look smaller? Well, hopefully you would say, well, having one of these x's and having another x, that's the same thing as having 2 x's. And I would say, yes, those things can be 2 x's. That's what it says. 1x plus another 1x is 2 x's. Now, what about this 3? Can it be combined with that to say 5x? Hopefully you would say, no, 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 no. That can't be combined because it's only a number 3. It doesn't have an x. So you would say, well, I have 2 x's and I also have a 3. And I would say yes. This is what it means to simplify. Another way that this has been maybe spoken, and maybe you've heard it, is combining like terms. Like terms means things that are the same. For instance, this x is the same as that x. Those two things are the same. They are not the same as this. I would ask you, how many terms are up there? If you said 3, that's not true. You would say 2. These x's are one term. This number is another term. I know it's a little interesting now, and you'll probably get the hang of it a little later after you do a couple. Let's give this a shot. Look at our first example down here. If I show you 12x plus 3x plus 11x, can you combine these? Hopefully you say yes. Can you put these all in one bucket? Which means, can I combine them to be all come one thing? The answer was yes. Then let me give you some more information. The reason you can do that is because there's only one term up there. And that term is x. There's nothing else. There's just x's. So 12x plus 3x is 15x's. And 15x's plus 11x's is 26x's. So you could say that's 26x's. Look at the one below it, though. Now, can you combine all of these 4 items in one bucket? Hopefully you say, no. I can make a bucket for V's, but then this is not a V. So I'm going to need another bucket just for single numbers itself. So let's put the V's together. Now, I might need a calculator for this one, but let's see here. 26 and 45. That's 7. Oh my gosh, 71 plus another 8. So hopefully if we say, I told you I'm not that good at, I'm a finger counter. That's all I got. So here we go. If I have 79 V's, that's fine. And then my 16 cannot be combined with anything else. So it has to stand alone. And it's a positive. So you would say I have 79 V's plus 16. You want to try again? Give it a shot.